Imparting advanced technologies and fuel-efficient solutions, Liugong has introduced its all-new range of products at BC India 2013. To give you more details, we have with us Sunil Sapru from Liugong. Hello, sir. So can you detail us about the products being launched in BC India?
Yeah, we have launched compactors with the latest technology in terms of it is having the compaction, within having a GPS system, how it can be navigated properly, and which can give a value addition to the customers and give them a results. What is how to optimize the road geometry, how to get the compaction effect in place, and get the density what they are required for the compaction.
So fuel efficiency is another mantra upheld in these products.
Yeah.
Can you detail us about that?
We have been looking at that how we can provide the market. Looking at today the focus has been the green business and how we can drive this business into having a fuel efficiency and emission controls in these machines. And we have been providing the machines which can optimize the system. The hydraulic system of the machine has been designed in such a way that it gives you the optimized results and which takes care of your fuel efficiency. And these are highly fuel efficient machines which gives our end users the benefit in terms of having a better return on investment on the machines.
India is said to have a very price-sensitive market. So how equipped is these machines in meeting these demands?
We have studied various applications in the Indian markets and how to have a proper placement of these products in the Indian market. And though Indian market is a sensitive market, price-sensitive market, but I can put it another way that the customer is looking for how they get a better productivity in the machines. If you get a better productivity in the machines, that will give you the much leverage and balance your pricing in the market with the products. And if you have a fuel efficient machines and you have a proper backup support in terms of having the lower breakdown on the machines, which effectively gives you much yield in the business, and I don't think that the price sensitiveness comes in place there.
So how efficient is the machine in meeting the different geographic terrains in India?
These machines have been designed where we have to look at where we can face the durations of the machines, or we look at the different altitudes on the machines, and these machines have a sufficient power which can take effect within itself, and it can be optimize its loading capacity and work to this best possible positions. Whatever the customers we have in the mining sector, we have in the road sector, we have the defense sector, these machines have been entirely working to their satisfaction.
So what are your expectations from BC India 2013?
We look at though you know that 2012 there were a lot of turbulence in the market, and we look at 2013 is the beginning of this year, the fiscal year, and looking at BC India is the right forum where very serious buyers are coming in, and it has been professionally managed, and we have a lot of expectations, and the customers are coming in looking at this technological advancement and what the value benefit they get out of the products, and which can give them the better yield in their projects.
Also, you said GPS trackers are being implemented. So how efficiently is a man-to-machine communication being incorporated?
We have put up a training center over here in India where we have been trained our operators, we trained our the mechanical staff, we take sprayer of, and the civil engineers who takes how to get into the more optimized this features in the machine and get the better results. And we have implemented these projects in India, and this has been successfully given a better results to our customers.
So any other expansion plans?
We are trying to get a lot of products localized. Excavators will be localized in this financial year. We are trying to get into other products which will form a complete solution to the customers in terms of getting into the backhoe loaders into the Indian market, in terms of getting our forklifts into the market, and also we are looking at how we can take complete other compaction products, and we customer whoever will come, they fall in one umbrella, and we will have a total solution for these customers.
So how do you overlook upon BC India as a business platform?
BC India has been this is the second year of BC India, and we have got a good outcome from participating in BC India, and it has given us a it has not only we have positioned ourselves in Indian market as a very strong upcoming contender in this business, and also we are looking at then the BC India is also a platform for having a brand building in place, and Lugong is has a vision of being the top construction manufacturing company in India, and we are quite optimistically placed ourselves over into it, and we are looking forward that this is a platform where we can take participation in this all mega events in India.
So you heard it right from the expert, Mr. Sunil Sapru from Lugong. Reporting for EPC World Media, Veena Kurup.
I will be apprising you about my product features which we have displayed in BC India 2013. About one of the products what we have been displaying over here is a 20-ton class excavators. This product has the product with the Cummins UK engine, which is quite fuel efficient engine, which suits to the customers' requirements in terms of the fuel efficiency. And also we have put up the machine with a 20-ton excavator, which is having around 40% of the market share in India. With this has got an ergonomically designed cabin, and this machine has also have an undercarriage from the Asia Track, which is one of the Caterpillar built company, and the hydraulics and is from the Kawasaki Japan, and all put together this this product has a lot of ingredients from the Japan, and which is the top-notch companies in the world, and one of the companies being the Kawasaki, and we have got the cylinders from Kaiba Japan, and these products have been with state-of-the-art projects, and these have the latest generation machines what has been placed globally across. What we have displayed in BC India is our core competence product as the V loaders. We have been in global market for the last 20 years, and this product in the V loaders we have been manufacturing for the last 50 years, and we are the world's #1 manufacturer for the V loaders. These V loaders are in India, but we have been locally indigenized products are 3-ton class and 5-ton class, having a different bucket configurations depending upon the raw material densities, and these machines have been have a ergonomically designed cabin which with the ROPS and FOPS which is a safety features in the machine, and also this machine has been with a Cummins US engine which is a 5-ton class, and a 3-ton class is with a local Cummins B series engine. Further, the machine is having the hydraulics from Pemco, and which is also world class company, and the Rexroth. These are the companies what we have been using the ingredients in the machine. The hoses are from the Gates and the Parker, and these products have been performed very well in India, and these have been tested, tried, and worked as per the end users requirements, and we have been constantly improvising these products as per the market demand. And besides that, we have also displayed one of the products is the motor graders, which is built up for the road construction industry with 150 horsepower with a 150 horsepower engine. This machine has been built with the Cummins India engine, and axles are from Meteor, and these products have been performed with a very high efficiency, and this have been having a lot of fuel savings to the customers, and we are quite satisfied with the results what these products have been given. The optional products what we have put in this place is with a ripper, and this equipment is also with a dozer blade. That's the unique features on the machine.